This is Co-Trains in Montreal. Here I am at the Vermont Essex open house, and I wanted to show this beautiful architectural model that is being built of Windsor Station in Montreal, complete with the turrets and everything. Beautiful detail of this building. You can see some of the windows will be lit up. It will be complete with the scene of that street there. I forget the one that goes up the hill. And it'll have streetcar tracks, like that flexible bus there. There's a streetcar. It'll be a static model, I'm sure. Beautifully rendered. And I can't wait to see this scene finished. Last time I was here, this was nothing but maybe a cardboard shell, indicating what it's going to be. Now here they even have what's on the corner here all built too. The facades, I think the St. Antoine Street it is, facade here. Really beautifully built. And they have this part of it. This is the back part. Even that's finished. And they're doing part of the train sheds. They'll probably do a little more of the train sheds. That's what it would have looked like in the 50s. Then they have this beautiful, really huge chimney stack. In the back there will probably be buildings like downtown Montreal. Here's one indication of what will be there. And many people in a certain part of the city will recognize this arched bridge. This is in Westmount. I'm sure they'll have Westmount Station. And over here is Glen Yard. Now it's probably not as finished as it will be. And this is now part of the McGill Super Hospital, this site. And it was vacant for years, but this is what it looked like in the 50s with the roundhouse, turntables. Here they have some really nice locomotives there. Steamers. That's going to be an operating turntable. And here they have rail diesel cars.
Ils nous accueillent vraiment comme des rois, même le tapis, là, le tapis rouge. Il nous faut bien manger aussi.
Il y a l'autre chemin de fer qui est UCP qui s'appelle le Royal Canadien.
Yes, quite interesting. And again, up here they have these schematics they're working on. This is the Coeur Glen. Pretty amazing. There's more schematics and the walk around throttles. This is going to be a really interesting part of the layout.